Hi, I am Volkan Yetilmezer. Do you know how can you make motion time-lapse?
Our shows Turkey's largest city of Istanbul we do. First, remove the screw on the bottom of the crane Timelapse and place it on a tripod with a 3/8 screw connection. Thus, it will be much more robust. If you are shooting for a long time, you can charge your phone with a USB port on the front of the crane Timelapse, or you can use a power bank. Connect the crane Timelapse with your phone and activate the image transmission. Press the camera icon on the left side. I will show you all the options in this menu. Let's start with the panorama shooting first. I'm gonna tell this part later. You can see the predefined shooting modes from the preset section at the top right. Here you can see 3x3, 180 degrees, 360 degrees, and the shoots you can done before. Let's start with 3x3 first. In particular, you can see the 3x3 mode to capture narrow areas. The camera will then take 9 photos from different angles. When the shooting is finished, crane Timelapse will come back to the original position. Now let's match them on the computer. You can use Lightroom or Photoshop. Let me show you how to do it in the Lightroom first. Select 9 photos you can take and place them on Lightroom. Then press import. While in the library, select all photos and right click. Select the panorama from the photo merge section. Lightroom will preview these 9 photos. From the top right, choose spherical or cylindrical. When auto crop is active, blank areas are automatically cropped. From the boundary work part, you can change the boundaries. If all your settings are complete, you can press merge. Lightroom will combine these 9 photos. You can export after making color adjustments. 9 photos taken, this is becoming the first. Then it takes its final shape. Now let's shoot 180 degrees. When you start shooting at 180 degrees, the crane Timelapse set how many pictures to take and takes photos. Let's use Photoshop this time. Open Photoshop. From the File menu, select Photo Merge in the Automate section. Select Auto from the left side. Select Photos from the Browse section and press OK. Photoshop will automatically merge all photos into layers. Crop unnecessary parts, and some parts have improved. Reduce the photo because the photo resolution will be too large. These 8 photos taken are becoming this. You can do 380 degrees photos in the same way. In fact, this photo is not taken exactly 360 degrees. The crane Timelapse handlebar is shot at around 330 degrees to prevent it from being seen in the picture. You can merge these 10 photos in Lightroom or Photoshop. These 10 photos taken are becoming this. Finally, let me talk about the manual panorama settings. Here you set the start and end points. Zhiyun Play app decides how many pictures should be taken between these 2 points. You can select both horizontal and vertical points. After shooting, you can still merge photos with the Lightroom or Photoshop. Now we will make time-lapse. First, from your camera menu, change the photo rotation to 16:9 because we are doing to make a video of these photos. There are 2 kinds of time-lapse in the menu. One is standard and the other is moving. Let's start with the standard time-lapse first. From this section, set at which intervals you want to take pictures. From this section, set how long you want to take a picture. You can close the preview from this section. After making the settings, you can see how many seconds the videos will be and the total number of pictures taken. If everything is okay, press start. Since this is a standard time-lapse, the crane Timelapse will not move. Let's come from these photos to video production. Open Adobe Premiere. Create and save a new project. Select all photos and add them to the project area. Select all photos and right-click. Select Speed and Duration from the drop-down menu. In this section, set the duration of each picture to 1 second. Select the photo and add it to the timeline. Select Sequence from the Sequence menu. Set the frame size to Full HD. Delete the photos in timeline. Select all photos in the project and add them to timeline. You must reduce the size of the photos because they are too large. Select all photos, press the right button, press the Set to Frame from the drop-up menu. The photos will be smaller in size. Then save as a video. For this video, we will use Warp Stabilizer. First, select all photos and press the right button. From the drop-up menu, press Make Subsequence. We are turning all photos into a single file. Add the subsequence file to the timeline. Select the Warp Stabilizer from the FX section and drop it onto the video. The analysis will begin. Export as a video when finished. You can see what the Warp Stabilizer works for. Now let's make motion time-lapse. You can also make time-lapse without connection to HDMI cable, but you need to connect the data cable. First, without HDMI cable, let's do the when the data cable is connected. Select motion time-lapse from the menu. You can change the pan, tilt and roll angles using the joystick or throughout the screen. When you get the start point, mark this point using the plus sign. Mark again when you reach the end point. Click Next. Make the time release settings and press Start. Shooting will start this way. Convert the photos to the video using the Premiere when the shooting is finished. Finally, let's do motion time-lapse with HDMI cable and data cable connected. Set the point where the joystick or screen is started. Press plus, then adjust the end point and press plus again. Next step, press Next button. Make the time-related settings and press Start. You can see the state which to shoot is at the top. And that's all. In this video we learned panoramic, time-lapse and motion time-lapse. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in next video. Bye.